Network Entertainment.
Hi girls and boys! Kami ang
Lady Bosses! Mga sister
CR tayo. Let's go!
Let's go!
Ba't may mga lalaki sa CR natin?
All gender CR.
Pwede. Those are getting more common. That's true.
Our guest for today, so meron tayong grammar Nazi. Kilala niyo siya probably as Pepe Wordsmith. Alvin Santos.
Hello,
Hello.
everyone. Sa CR.
At dahil kabado kami na mag-English, nagsama kami ng translator. True Blue Atenean.
Ay! Hanggang college. In college, I was UP, I swear.
Joseph Montesilio,
Hi, thanks for having us.
who's also a stand-up comedian.
Yes.
You have a show?
Yes, I have my YouTube special Worth Dying For dropping July 21, Tuesday. So that's very exciting.
Any live show for the next
Oh my gosh,
weeks?
dami. Actually, July 11 sa Vault, July 17 and 25 at the Cool Pals Bar at Cellar.
Okay.
ComedyMinal.ph for your tickets.
Please watch.
Yes.
So, ang una naming question para sa'yo, Alvin. Kailan ka unang naging grammar Nazi at nawalan ka ba ng kaibigan?
Unang naging grammar Nazi meaning yung unang content na about it, or you mean
As
being
in person.
As a person.
as a
calling
person?
out
Okay.
wrong grammar.
Okay, so it started very early. I grew up the youngest of 4 siblings.
Okay.
So bunso ako, and then yung older sister ko, Tagalog tayo, yung older sister ko ay siya yung ganon. So kapag nanonood siya ng TV, that's entertainment. Pag mayroon siya mga i-call out right there and then. And
Oh,
I
so
would be,
ate mo yung mahilig talaga mag-call out ng mga
parang
grammar.
nai-imbibe ko yun. Of course, ano lang, sa personal lang niya. Hindi niya namamalayan, nandun ako sa paligid-ligid. Tapos naririnig ko yung mga sinasabi niya. So, besides
Pero ano
that,
pinag-aralan niya after?
interior design.
Okay.
So, ano lang talaga. Siguro passion, siguro yun, ng high school or something. So, and then, na-pick up ko lang din yun. And then, I also have that penchant for good speech. Yung mga
Okay.
people who
Shucks, bagsak
speak.
tayo dito.
Oo nga. Uy, nagto-toastmaster ka.
Dahil nga kailangan ko.
You all do comedy on stage.
Di ba it's mostly Tagalog, Taglish?
That's fair.
Napupukaw yung damdamin ko sa mga ganun.
Wow,
Ever
napupukaw.
since.
Wait, pati Tagalog ba? Gina-grammar mo?
Hindi.
Okay, pero
I leave it to
napupukaw.
Father David.
Alam mo yung napupukaw. Alam mo yung napupukaw. Alam mo yung napupukaw.
No. I've already lost like half this
Napupukaw is,
conversation.
napupukaw is nawawala.
Ah.
Tama
Get
ba?
lost.
Is that right?
Naka-focus.
Parang you, are
the-
enthralled. Parang enthralled.
Oh.
Parang ganun ba yun? Napupukaw.
Mas na-gets ko yung enthralled eh.
Or parang napipeak yung interest mo. Parang like that. Napupukaw, parang ganun. So, I remember, I would watch
Pique the interest.
Oscars speeches, yung mga short speeches, and I would get amazed by people who
Speak well.
Speak well. Ano magagandang speeches. There was one person, I would like to say it was Gwyneth or Helen Hunt in her pink gown. I forget lang the movie. Pero sinabi niya, this is wilder than my wildest dreams. And I was like, oh, ang ganda na. Napupukaw nga yung damdamin ko sa mga ganun.
Have you ever fantasized about giving an Oscars acceptance
Not-
speech?
Not really. I just like to listen to it. Parang it's like music to my ears. Ganun.
Do you like the sound or how you visualize
Ano,
what they
that's a
say?
good question. So how it parang how it sounds basically. How they piece together the words into sentences or even speeches, 'di ba? For example, yung kay Cory Aquino before that she went to the US Congress, I think, after the revolution, and she came back parang as a president of a free people or something like that. Ang ganda nung lines niya dun sa first line niya. Mga things like that. So,
How about
na-amaze ako sa ganyan.
speeches ni Miriam Defensor?
Akala ko ni Digong eh.
Okay din. It was although very complex for me yung mga words.
May tama bang diction din ng pagmura? Saan anong syllable dapat may emphasis?
Second. Ganun siya, diba? Second syllable.
No, but
Anyway.
even in English, they have like, there's a specific place you put like fucking, right?
yeah.
Like
The
if it's an
stress.
adjective or like it has a place in the sentence that people don't even like learn formally. They just kind of know if they use the word.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The stress, I would say.
May tanong ka, di ba? O dahil Pride Month, then
Oo.
out ka naman, di ba?
Yeah, of course.
Sige.
Happy Pride!
Kasi parang,
Right.
hindi ko alam kung joke to, pero basta linagay ko somewhere dun sa social media ko, na parang, ang hirap maging grammar Nazi, tapos LGBT ka pa. Kasi yung pronouns na they, them.
Oh, okay,
So,
mga taong ngayon.
Oo.
ganun
So,
sila.
paano? Like, hindi ka ba nag-cringe when
When
you
they
hear it,
use
yes.
it in a
Actually,
sentence
Oh, yeah.
referring
I am
to
they,
just
them.
one
Oo.
person?
Ang intellectual ng question dito. Ang hirap. Anyway, so, yeah, first of all, my being a grammar Nazi is just a persona. Hindi siya, ano lang yan, for the clout.
Okay.
For the clout. So, for the clout lang yan, right? So, hindi yun totoong personality ko. Of course, I don't call out people to their faces. Kasi
Sabi sa'yo,
rude
siya yung
yun.
legit na grammar. Hindi yun namamahiya.
Hindi
course.
si Michael.
Michael, they're coming for you.
Ginagawa talaga niya. Hindi ko ginagawa yun. So, I think that is rude.
May karud
lalo
ka
na-
daw.
No judgment, pero I think you should call out people who are close to you lang or you're comfortable with. For example, your pamangkins or your mom mo or yung
With the
kapatid
intention
mo.
na hindi nila gamitin sa labas na mapapahiya sila.
Of course,
Oo.
not to embarrass people, but it should come from a place of concern.
Concern,
right?
correct.
So, pero
And
kung di mo
care.
kilala, hayaan mo na lang, di ba?
Yes.
And just, that's why what I do is I just bring out content or content na hopefully makita nila yung mga narinig ko, sasabihin ko, ay mali yung sinabi niya. I won't call them out, pero gagawa ko ng video. So hopefully
Para matulungan
makita
na
niya
rin
yan.
ng iba.
Matulungan niya.
For
Right? And then it's
information.
You're like a viral subtweeter. Like, mas viral pa yung subtweet sa mistake.
ganun lang yung ginagawa ko. Pero but very good question. So, nasagot ko ba? So I think I haven't answered it.
No, not fully, yes.
The question was, sorry, I digressed there. So, nahihirapan. Hindi talaga ako grammar Nazi. Persona lang yon. Tapos with regard to, hindi with regards ha? With regard to,
Regards, ano yun, di ba? Sa
as
pa-regards, as regards.
It's as regards or with regards. So, common mistake ng Filipinos yan, diba? So, anyway, with regard to that one naman, yung they, them, I don't mind. I don't mind. So, we've seen viral videos about that, diba? On a newscaster calling someone out in the States, diba? Parang may nag-viral na ganun. Pinipilit niya na hindi nga ikaw eh. He, him ka nga eh.
napanood
Right?
ko
So,
yun, oo.
right? So, parang ako, why bother
Parang
with that?
we understand na kung ano
Oo nga
nangyayari.
eh. Parang it's a different, it's a very complex, ang tawag dito, pag-uusap or topic, right? So, but I would, at the end of the day, I would respect that person and how that person sees himself
Rather
or
than-
herself.
Rather than having a correct grammar.
Yeah, diba? Kasi only that person would know who he is or who she is, right?
Or they are.
Or they
Yeah,
are,
yeah,
exactly. So, hayaan lang natin kung paano sila.
And even like historically, you can use they, them for a singular person, right? So like sometimes if you don't know their gender,
Yeah,
like who is
exactly.
their teacher.
Yeah.
So
Oo nga, no?
that's
Yeah.
a thing that's already existed
He's a
in
book
English.
author, by the way.
Oh, nice.
Ano sabi mo?
Author si
May libro ako.
Joseph, di ba?
Oo.
Tsaka di ba kahit naman sa Tagalog, meron din yung kayo po.
Kayo po. Ay, marami.
Exactly.
Pero regarding lang naman din sa isang
Oh,
tao.
that's nice. Kasi tsaka mas ano yun, di ba? Mas
Sino
respectful.
po sila?
Mas
Pero isa lang yung
respectful.
kausap.
Ikaw po.
That's nice.
Weird na, di ba? Parang weird.
I hope I answered that question.
yeah.
Yeah.
Anong mas importante sa'yo? Grammatically correct or getting the message across?
Getting the message across, of course.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
all the
kahit
time.
bali-baliktad, basta
Oo,
naintindihan mo at naintindihan ka.
Yes. And people would always say that and comment on my videos, no? Yung mga hindi masyado, yung mga makikita yung utak. Sasabihin nila yun. Pero I don't mind nga eh. So, pero the point is, don't undermine the importance of knowing how to properly say it.
Wala namang mawawala eh.
Yung sasabi kasi nila parang hindi naman importante yan, di basta naiintindihan ka lang. Hindi yun yung point eh, right? So, grammar and rules are there for a reason, di ba? Kung di mo susundin, ba't pa nandyan yan?
Yes, oo. Pero ang hirap kasi like if you're in Singapore, Malaysia, yung mga ganun,
Yung
'di ba
accent.
parang yung accent nila tsaka yung
Singlish.
yung putol-putol,
Iba-iba na.
Yeah.
yung sobrang putol-putol. Tapos kapag nag-straight English ka, yung parang
Ikaw pa yung ano.
nahihirapan
Yeah.
sila sa'yo. So parang,
correct.
o say,
Ganun yun.
alam mo po? I'm sorry.
Nautal.
I'm sorry, friends in Malaysia.
So tama ba? Mag-a-adjust ka kung sino sa kausap mo?
Ang gandang question din. So, I teach, diba? So, I coach people. I've been doing this for more than 2 years now, and some of them come from different parts of the world. So, and they would say, nahirapan kasi ako, nasanay kasi ako sa mga kausap ko sa Singapore or wherever, right? So, and I would say, don't bother with that. So just make sure that you continue to do yung tama and let them adjust. Wag ikaw yung mag-a-adjust. I don't believe in adjusting. Kasi madadadala yung ano mo eh. Yung,
Totoo bang yung kasama ba sa grammar ang accent?
Speech, communication.
Parang naano ko na yan before. Not necessarily, pero it's a subset of it. Pero hindi talaga entirely.
Okay.
Even pronunciation, it's not necessarily grammar.
Yung Filipino, pag nag-English tayo, tama ba? Straight yung English? Tayo yung may pinaka naiintindihan yung English natin? Or,
In terms of accent?
oo.
When I was in the States, hindi lang maintindihan yung mga water eh.
Water.
Yung water mo ba? Yung ano ba? So, I would say, probably as compared to the others, probably
Other
siguro,
Asian
other
countries.
Asian countries. I would say yes.
Pero parang dila natin matigas eh. For some reason. Ang tigas nung diction natin.
Yung mga
Matigas yung
accent,
dick.
no? Based from experience ba yan? Based on experience ba yan?
Because also like Tagalog is like
Based
a
on
crunchy language, right?
Yes!
Yeah. So I think that's why our tongues are like that. Yeah. Malutong.
Malutong!
Yes.
Pero ang daming, how do you pronounce adjective?
Adjective.
Adjective, tama yun.
So, paano?
Sa
Ano pa ba ibang
Filipino
pronunciation?
Adjective. Paano ba yung batin?
Kinakabahan si
Overthink. Di ba sa language natin, yung mabaho, may mapanghe. Di ba ang dami niyang description, very specific. That's what I love about Filipino language. English kasi very vague eh.
Tama.
So may advantage din yung Tagalog.
Actually.
Pagka kunyari, mga sa social media naman, na nagka-cringe ka rin ba pagka all caps, pagka ang dami exclamation point. Galit ba yung dating pagka all caps?
Weird yung dating kapag all caps. And I do that personally kapag meron akong gusto i-emphasize, right? Gusto ko magpatawa or gusto ko magpaano, something, mga one-liners, right? But you don't do that in an email to your boss especially.
Corporate din siya eh. For how many years?
I hope this email finds you well.
Good morning!
Best regards!
Best regards!
I was in
Gano'n ka
corporate
katagal?
for more than 20 years.
Wow,
22
years.
22 years. Mhm.
What did you like and dislike about it? Kaya
What I
ngayon content
like?
creator ka.
Ah,
Grabe to,
talaga.
full-time content creator na siya.
An English coach. What I liked about corporate,
You were a banker.
I was a banker for the longest time, 11 years, and then I transferred to fintech.
Pero yung course mo sa Lasal ay
Hindi
Engineering.
English. Engineering.
English.
Eng with the second G.
Not English. Engineering.
English na. Hindi siya English. Engineering,
Engineering.
to.
Not the one with boards, pero yung manufacturing, engineering, and management.
Which is bank. Pwede sa bank
Pwede
talaga.
yung kasi may management side, I would always
Para
like
siyang
to
ME
say.
sa Ateneo.
So yeah, I was a banker for 11 years and then I transferred to fintech. What I liked about corporate is the discipline. I think it's a good way to start your career after college. The structure, waking up this time, going in at this time, going home at this time, taking lunch at this time. It has that discipline. Tapos, what I don't like about it is exactly that also. But I have kasi parang I didn't like the idea of taking my lunch from this time to this time. Why do I have to do that? And answering
Parang
to
military,
someone.
you have
Answering
to-
to someone.
Yeah,
to
an
my boss,
authority
parang,
figure.
I like to be my own
Pero
boss.
maganda yung sinabi mo na it's the best work for after college. Kasi nasana yung
May
mga
discipline.
college.
Yeah,
Tapos kapag nalaman na nila, working na sila, pag nalaman na nila na parang, kaya ko pala mag-absent anytime I want eh. Parang gano'n.
SL
So
ka
yun,
lang.
dun na dumarating yung feeling mo na parang, ayoko nga mag-lunch ng gantong oras.
Exactly. Di ba?
So,
Parang why do I have to do that? Why do I have to do Eventually, it comes to you na. Especially being a banker in the Philippines is very traditional. Ang ganda ng discipline na yun. Papasok ka ng gantong oras, malilate ka pag konting ganyan.
Can we say your company
Yeah,
in
HSBC.
siya dati?
I love working for HSBC.
Gcash ba? Globe?
Gcash and then Globe muna and then Gcash and then Home Credit.
Home credit.
Hello! Ito ang Witang Clan from Walang Edit Podcast. Usually we talk about unfiltered takes, conspiracy theories, at mga kung ano-anong kalokohan sa online news and public affairs. Di ko alam. Pero hindi kami... may camera kasi. Pero listen to our podcast and join our Facebook group.
Yes,
on
sir.
Facebook, syempre. So, may nag-iingay sa labas. Pero okay lang yun dahil siningit lang namin tong ad na to. Thank you so much!
We hang.
Yun, so, yun yung disiplina na yun.
Paano ka sa an office mate?
Paano?
As in,
there was
binabanggit
a
mo ba
time.
kunyari mali yung may typo o
Yeah.
mali?
So this is a good story. So there was a time in one of those companies, and I wouldn't say na lang when. Sabi ko nga, you should correct people if you're coming from a good place and place of concern, di ba? So I would correct people who were directly reporting under me.
Okay.
Kasi nag-email sila ng ng mali. So nakakahiya, di ba? It will cause you second-hand embarrassment.
Yes.
Pag-uusapan ka niya or whatnot, di ba? So meron silang mga, let's say, you did, tapos past tense. Yung mga ganung
no,
tayo.
okay.
Oh no. Di ba nakaka-oh no yun? Ikaw yung nag-ano. Oh no. So pinokorek ko yun. Tapos I would email them directly, of course. Na ganito yung ganyan.
Sisi lang.
Parang a very foreign ginagawa ko, parang operation side. Tapos parang, bakit may grammar siguro? Parang tataka siguro sila. But then now you know kung bakit, right?
Oo
So,
nga. Pero ngayon na lang nila na-realize. Back then, hindi ka notorious for correcting.
No. Hindi. Social media lang talaga. Yung,
Pero nag-aral ka ng language after?
I not necessarily studied
But
it.
you read a lot.
Nag-IELTS ako. I took the IELTS para lang maturo ko rin sa mga tao. I read a lot. I would love to read more. Yung a book from end to end. I'm more of a visual learner kasi. So so it's not necessarily that pala. No? Hindi ka kailangan magbasa ng marami. If it's your passion, you can check it out on YouTube or you can listen to podcasts like this or interviews, and then you can study on your own.
Are you usually this calm?
Am I?
You
Calm now?
look, yeah. Even your
probably.
voice parang very
It's
clear,
soothing.
soothing. Oo.
Yeah. It comes with experience maybe. I've spoken to people ng ganito day in and day out. So
Tsaka gustong-gusto niya 'di ba yung mga magaling sa speech.
Ay, tama.
So parang gusto niya rin. Parang
Composed.
nakukuha
Ko
din
din.
niya yung dapat
of
ganun
course,
din.
yeah.
So ang ganda.
Pwede nyo nang talunin si Inka sa Spotify.
Oo nga, sabi ko
Hello,
mag-podcast
Ika.
ka eh. Sabi ko mag-podcast ka rin eh. Anong word ang madalas nagkakamali ang Pilipino sa pag-pronounce?
Confirmed.
Hindi kasi may leveling yun, di ba?
Yeah. May confirm. Pero, confirm. Yeah.
Fairness.
Yes.
Pag confirm,
Sabi Joseph. Leveling yun eh.
Kasi you hear it even in Congress, di ba?
Ay, talaga.
Meron.
Kasi double.
No names, di ba? No names.
Congress siya nagtatrabaho.
Sinabi ka agad. Sa Senate pala.
Confirmed!
Pero yung pagka-confirm kasi niya, alam mo hindi
niya alam kung ano
siya
totoo.
Kasi nagkasalita siya.
Alam mo naman pag
No,
gino-joke
nagmi-Mr.
lang.
Chair siya eh.
Yes.
So yun yung kind of weird.
Yung in
Saan mo nakuha
fairness,
yun?
okay lang. Di ba dapat to be fair with?
Pero kasi Philippinized na yun, di ba?
Yes.
In fairness.
Eh di
In all
gawin,
fairness,
normalize
to be fair.
natin yun.
Yung confirm.
Fair with.
To be fair with. To be fair with.
In fairness, I think.
Tama
I think,
yun.
Hindi ko check, pero grammatical.
Pag in fairness,
Infer. Pag-infer. hindi.
Takotin. Fear na.
Yun, confirmed.
Pero ba yun,
Madalas.
tipong sa sobrang minamali ng mga tao, pati ikaw nahahawa.
Wala naman.
Kasi kami, minsan nagkakaroon namin.
As a joke, yung confirm. Confirm
Hindi, minsan kasi kaka-joke namin.
Yung PNF.
Pag kasi nasabi na
Ala.
namin, nagkakamali na talaga.
PNF effect?
Oo.
No, that does happen though. Because like,
It happens to you also?
yeah, there was a movie my girlfriend and I were watching where there was a joke where someone mispronounced the word innocence. They said innocence. And then we keep joking about that. We're like, innocence. And now when I say the word innocence, the first thing that comes out is, yeah,
Innocence.
he was innocent.
On purpose? On purpose ba yung
Hindi
pagkakasabi
na.
mo?
At first, it was on purpose, and now I just say, yeah, he's innocent.
Sobrang hindi bagay sa'yo, Joe, sa pagkamali.
Yeah. It's from the movie Emma by Jane Austen. So, yeah, that was a weird joke. It just stuck with us.
Innocence.
Pero what do you prefer? Kunwari sa mga workmates
Buti
mo
di mo
na-
sabi, prefer.
Prepare.
sa mga
In fairness, magaling.
Huwag nyo nga, mamaya magkamali talaga ako.
Natakot na eh. She's now in fairness.
Find your adjectives.
Mas maganda ba na sila yung nagsusulat talaga or mas gusto mo na okay lang sa'yo na i-AI na nila?
Yeah, grabe
No.
nga
You should
yan.
find your voice talaga in
Yes.
writing. So that was actually my reservation in using AI before.
Tsaka
I used to be a
napa-reserve.
skeptic. Tawag ako.
Confirm na yung reservation.
Confirmed.
Anyway, going back. So, isa yun sa mga reservations ko in using that. I used to be an AI skeptic. Pero ngayon hindi na. Kasi I found out how it was and how it is very useful to us. Para siyang secretary mo, no? Pwede mong gawin. Actually,
Tapos the more you use it,
Pero-
nakikilala ka na niya.
correct,
Yeah.
exactly. Pero if you're a writer, especially if you're an author, make sure you write from your own words, from your own thoughts, and not from AI kasi it will come across as not yours eh. Hindi siya magiging
Pero to
totoo.
check grammar lang.
Of course. Yung mga words lang and how to say things. Pero how to compose your words and sentences, no. I would always say, do it on your own. Find your own voice. Paano yung style of writing. Yeah.
What's the biggest communication error in social media today?
Biggest
Or crime,
communication
communication crime.
In social media today. What do you mean in terms of
Nakita ko lang sa AI. Anong pwedeng
can you
tanongin?
qualify that question? Biggest error? Ang hirap naman tanong. So,
Baka hindi na siya communication eh. So maybe it's not actually the words that they use, but kindness or it's the values na siguro.
Doon ka ba papunta?
Yun na hindi mo na matuturo yun masyado eh.
yeah, correct. Mga bashers, yung mga ganyan ba? O yung in my case, yung dinidiminish nila yung pag-aaral ng grammar na hindi naman importante. What's important is makaintindihan ka. Hindi naman importante yun sa States. Yung mga taga-States, may mga ganun silang air ng mga Filipinos. Some
Mga
of them.
Pinoy lang,
some of
mga
them.
Phil-Am.
Yung mga nagko-comment, dito sa States, hindi yan ganyan. Yung mga ganun. Maraming ganun. Para
Kasi sa States, parang barok nila mag-English.
Exactly. They don't care. They don't care about that naman dito. Agad maintindihan. Basta maintindihan ka lang.
Parang butchered
That is
na
not
yung
the
language
point.
eh.
Hindi naman yun yung point, di ba? So, yung point is, kung gusto mo matuto, hayaan mo sila matuto. Kung ayaw mo matuto, edi bahala ka.
Halimbawa yung ask, they say it as ax. Diba? Yung mga rap, tsaka yung mga song, ax sila, hindi ask.
Ina-ax nila yung sarili nilang ano. Pati spelling.
Ina-ax.
Pati spelling.
pati spelling.
Yeah.
Mom ko fan mo eh. Ang favorite niya, natutunan niya sa'yo is how to pronounce condolences. Dapat may S. Condolences.
Yeah. Very Filipino yung
Condolence.
Condolence.
Yeah.
Saan ang galing kaya yun? No? Isa lang.
Which one?
Condolence.
Condolence.
You get one condolence. Isa lang.
Isa lang ha? Isa lang namatay
Kulang na kulang ako So, isa lang sa'yo.
Damot.
Madaming namatay, tagi-tagi, isa lang.
Sabay lang.
Condolence to you, and to you.
One each.
Isa lang po.
You have master classes.
Yeah.
How do we find you?
On social media. So I'm on social media, Pepe Wordsmith on all.
Alam mo, recently ko lang
Social media.
na-gets. Dahil Pepe Smith.
Oo, so it's a combination of ano.
Si Pepe, kilala
Pepe
ko si
Smith.
Pepe.
Tsaka Wordsmith.
It's a combination of different trains of thought. Pepe Smith, of course, is the iconic and the late rock star,
Yes.
right? So, Pepe Smith started with that, and then of course Wordsmith. A wordsmith doesn't necessarily mean an expert. So I steer away from that.
Kapatid
pang
pa yun ni
wordsmith,
Ann Curtis Smith.
pinsan.
Diyan lang.
Pag wordsmith, pwede rin kasing someone who is interested in words.
Yeah.
So I would like to associate myself more with that definition. Hindi yung expert. So, and then, so wordsmith, Pepe Smith, Pepe wordsmith, para Filipino, Pepe, no wordsmith. So it's a combination of everything. Yan, kaya siya Pepe wordsmith.
Masterclass is like one-on-one sessions.
Yeah, I conduct one-on-one sessions. If you'd like, meron din akong group sessions through Next Stop PH. And then you can contact me through my social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, and ano ba isa? TikTok. Yan. So yun yung mga
Ilan na followers mo sa TikTok? Parang pa 1 million, 700,000.
lahat. The last time I checked, which was kanina, kaka-check ko lang. Kaka-check pala parati. 1.2.
Wow!
Sana all!
Sa lahat.
Okay.
So
Grabe!
Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Yan.
Kailan nga ito nag-start ulit? During the pandemic?
Wow.
Sa
Yung
spare
TikTok
time mo ba, sometimes bina-browse mo pa rin yung dictionary, gano'n?
Oh, of course.
For new, di ba may
New
mga-
words?
Oo, new
Ang dami ko pa
words.
natutunan actually.
Do you have a favorite new word?
Oh,
Newish?
interesting. New word? Inebriated.
Ooh, drunk.
Inebriated. Alaman ko kay Karen Davila and Small Loud. Meron silang
Tama.
Ano ibig sabihin nun?
Napanood ko din yan.
inebriated. Parang nagbibigay siya ng mga words si Karen.
Tapos
them,
para
diba?
sabi
Kaya
niya,
sagot
pwede
lang
mo
nila.
gamitin yan kay Tim pagka lagi siya umiinom.
Yes,
Lasing.
exactly.
Inebriated. Yeah.
Inebriated.
Kaya pala sinabi.
I'm inebriated all the time.
Yes!
Ang pagkakarinig ko, enumerated.
Di ba ganda? Inebriated.
But it's also that fun thing though, where because the world changes, like most of us know more words than Shakespeare did, right? Because Shakespeare didn't have the
come to
word
think of it.
selfie, right? Or Shakespeare didn't have the word Twitter or things like that. So language is
nice
always
perspective.
growing. Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think about word fillers? Like,
As long as it's not excessive, it's okay. Okay lang yun. Okay masyadong
Ma-conscious about
magdamdam dyan. Pero wag lang yung every other word may kayo, diba? So, hindi rin maganda. So, not excessive. So, yung that's what I notice also about my learners. Sasabihin nila, ang dami kong fillers. And they always self-deprecate. Diba ganun tayo as Filipinos? Dami kong mali. Ganyan, dami kong fillers. Like, it wasn't excessive, actually. So, kung papakinggan mo, okay lang. Yung mga ganyan. So, or you can choose, here's a technique. You can choose, instead of, personally, I would say, right.
Wow.
Right. So, something like
ganda.
better, diba? So, kaya kung kung di mo alam yung sasabihin mo, you can say, para mas social ng konti, what do you call this? What do you call this? What do you call this? What do you call that? What do you call this? O kaya, yung fillers ko is right sa in-between. Ganun. Instead of the, sometimes okay lang diba?
pag nag-iisip ka talaga.
What do you call this is fun because like the Spanish have like como se dice, right? Like in the middle, so like their literal filler word is how you say? How do you say?
Exactly. Talaga? I
Yeah.
didn't
So
know
it's
that.
cool.
Yeah, so pwede mo sabihin, how do you call this? Parang mas okay.
Como se dice?
Exactly.
Is it?
yeah.
Love it,
Yeah,
love
como
it.
se dice literally means like how do you say?
What you call this?
Wait, that's not Forget about it.
What you call it?
What you call it? Yuck.
Chocolate yun eh.
What's
Actually, ang panahon natin, chocolate yun.
Chocolate yun.
Wala na yun, diba?
Pero binalik nila, meron sa Dubai.
Pare, yun yung same thing. Yung font niya pa ganun.
Packaging.
Wow.
We're
Whatchamacallit,
contemporaries,
Dubai
eh.
chocolate?
Dubai chocolate.
Dubai
Chocolate. Yun lang. Any more questions?
Ubus na yung questions mo.
Ubus na yung questions ko. Galing kay ChatGPT.
Pero feeling ko si D, kasi dahil Toastmaster si D, tapos VP chapter head.
VP, PR. I'm just starting kasi I wanna learn more.
VP ka na?
In a point lang. Parang doubt siya!
Impressed naman. Hindi pwede impress.
Supportive yan, supportive. VP ka na?
Supportive.
VP ka na?
Paano yung insulting?
VP ka na?
VP ka na?
Wow, which chapter?
Bago, Luminary. Yung mga content creators.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Feeling ko i-invite ka niyan to do a speech
Oo
there.
nga. Pwede ba?
What do you do as a...
Kasi di ba may mga guest
Naging ikaw
speakers
yung
kayo?
naging ikaw yung
Inviting guest. Ito na nga yun eh. Pwede ko po.
Of course, ikaw pa ba?
Thank you, Alvin. Thank you,
You're
Joseph.
welcome.
Any
Thanks for
more
having us.
thing you wanna plug?
Alvin?
That's it, actually. You can catch me on
Socials.
social media accounts. I'll see you there. See you in classroom.
Ganda lahat ng content niya. Matututo kayo.
My 1 hour special is dropping on YouTube. It's called Worth Dying For, July 21. So check it out there at Joseph Montesilio Comedy. It's gonna be mostly in English, so you can be ready. There you go.
Thank you so much. Kaya mula sa kaboses niyong na iilang pa rin sa aking English dahil katabi ko si Pepe Wordsmith. Si D.
Mula sa kaboses niyo. What do you call it?
I love it.
Gini Lakay.
Mula sa kaboses John Confir. Okay, asko kami ang Lady Bosses!
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.